Hi, today is February 25th, 2026, and I'm continuing where I left off. I'm looking at Indirect Air Carrier Application IAC through TSA. And here's the definition, what it means to be the indirect air carrier. A couple interesting things I came across. First one is that following businesses are not qualified. They are not able to obtain that. Examples are trucking, over-the-road truckers, manufacturers, shippers, and here they also list SIC codes. So it has to be the business that you operate has to have one of these SIC codes to qualify. Here are the details that have to be provided during the application process, and it takes about 30 days for TSA to review and get back to the applicant. They also provide email address where questions can be directed to. So if I was to click next, it pulls up the application itself. I'm just trying this out, what kind of questions it will ask. Describe in detail the type of business you operate or intend to operate. Does your business qualify as a small business? EIN number. So for us, this would be a no. Okay, I'll have to return to this. I am looking at CNS Cargo Membership Handbook again. This is section 2.2. And before forming a business, you need to make sure that it will later be accepted by IATA. We have to make sure that it's not similar or misleadingly similar to the name of current CNS subscribing carrier. So I'll find those sections on IATA website and make sure that the business name doesn't pose any issues. This is one of the sections where a company name can be searched, just to make sure that it doesn't have a very similar name, because it will not be accepted if a newly formed or name you propose is similar to one of the current agents or subscribing carriers. So I search, I don't see something that's exactly similar to what I'm thinking, but that's the place. So basically the first one, it's airlines. The second one is the CNS itself. So I cannot have a name that has CNS in it because it's going to be too similar, or wording, it seems like, or business name that starts with these three letters. And this is the other agents. This is an interesting directory here for all the airlines and for airports. So if you know like abbreviation but not sure which airport it is, it will give you details as well as airlines. You can put Delta, for example, and it will give you the code for that airline.
This YouTube channel has interesting information on different tactics for cold calling.